Let me show you a quick demonstration of NeuroPrice in just a few short steps. Step number 1, install NeuroPrice. NeuroPrice is the first repricing tool that is a Chrome extension that installs with a single click. Step number 2, head over to your Manage Inventory page inside of Seller Central. This is where NeuroPrice does its magic, embedding powerful repricing controls directly on the Manage Inventory page inside of Amazon. Step number 3, set some basic pricing rules. Now remember, you only have to do this one time and you never have to think about it again. It's basically set and forget. So let's set a couple rules here. Number 1, let's tell NeuroPrice never drop our price more than, let's just say, 30%. And because I'm an FBA seller, I'm going to set a rule to, if there's no FBA competing offers, let's go ahead and price $15 above lowest merch fulfilled. Let's go ahead and set a floor of never price below $10.99. If there's no competing offers, I like to set my default price to $99. Let's go ahead and make sure we always price below Amazon's offer by 50 cents. We have an option to stay inside the min-max values, which are set down here to work in things like your buy costs, etc. Let's go ahead and skip that for now. Let's compare new to new and used to use only. We'll skip the rest of these. And we have a whole host of advanced features that you don't even really need. Ignore certain competitors by store name, feedback, etc. We have a really powerful option to ignore lowball offers. You know how we all hate those. And then a bunch of fallback options. But these are for sellers who like a lot of extra control. So we can go ahead and skip these for now. Go ahead and set some more specific pricing rules down here. You can add as many rules you want. NeuroPrice works equally well for every single product category. I'm going to set a few product rules for just for the books category. But again, NeuroPrice works equally well. You can choose any one of these product categories, set different pricing rules per category. We're actually the only repricer that allows you to set individual rules by product category. For now, let's just focus on books. So let's go ahead and tell NeuroPrice, what do we want to compare our offer to? And this is where you really start to see NeuroPrice do things that no other repricer in the world can do. Every other repricer in the world forces you to anchor your price to the either lowest overall competitor, lowest FBA competitor, or the buy box price, which inevitably drags your prices downwards. NeuroPrice gives you the option, the only repricer in the world that gives you the option to compare your offer to the second lowest overall, third lowest overall, second lowest FBA, or third lowest FBA, as well as having no FBA pricing blind spots, which afflicts every other repricer in the world. This inevitably results in your inventory being priced higher than any other repricer, extracting more profit from the same inventory with no extra work. The way I described it is that NeuroPrice offers the precision of manual repricing with the automation of repricing software. So let's go ahead and say for all inventory where it's really high demand, ranked between 1, let's just say 50,000, let's go ahead and price $1 higher than the third lowest FBA price. Let's go ahead and set another rule. Let's say between 50,000 and 250,000. Let's go ahead and match the second lowest FBA price. Remember, I'm an FBA seller, but NeuroPrice works equally well for merch fulfilled. And for the sake of keeping this simple, let's just add one more rule. We say, okay, anything ranked worse than 250,000, let's just go ahead and match the lowest FBA price. And actually, let's set one more rule that's age-based. You can see how that works. We have an age-based inventory rules. Let's just say anything that's older than 9 months, let's go ahead and match the lowest overall price. And let's apply that to all sales ranks. Okay, so once we set our rules, we'll go ahead and save them. And this is where the fun begins. Also unique to NeuroPrice, you have 3 options. You can reprice a single page at a time up to 250 items. This is only for sellers that like a lot of control and want to review all the price changes before they commit. Then we have reprice all option, which reprices your entire inventory with a single click, but does not work in an automated fashion, just reprices all your inventory one time on demand. And then of course we have our scheduling feature, which allows NeuroPrice to just work invisibly in the background and reprice your inventory in any interval you choose, either every 4 hours, 8 hours, 12 hours, or 24 hours. But for the sake of keeping this simple, let's go ahead and reprice a single page of inventory. Okay, boom, that's it. NeuroPrice reprice your inventory at about an item per second, and you get a full audit of everything that was changed, how many items were priced in total number lowered, total number raised. And let's look at the pricing table. NeuroPrice gives you a full audit of all repricing changes. So you can see the before price, the after price, the percentage the price was changed, and the dollar amount it was changed. You can review all of this before you commit. And for really cautious sellers that want an extra amount of control, we give you a 12-month keep a sales rank chart, 12-month keep a pricing chart, as well as a price pop-up showing you the lowest 5 offers in both used and new condition in merch fulfilled and FBA. And if you see a price you like more than the one that NeuroPrice set, you go ahead and click it and it populates this field instantly. You can also sort by biggest price drops, so you can see what inventory dropped the most and give those extra attention. Remember, you don't even have to do any of this. You can just hit reprice all and your inventory is repriced with a single click, or you can do schedule repricing and NeuroPrice will reprice your inventory in any interval you choose from every 4 hours, every 8 hours, every 12 hours, every 24 hours, giving you a fully automated solution. So that's it, you guys. NeuroPrice is here, the only repricer in the world with no FBA blind spots, the only repricer in the world that can compare your offer to the second and third lowest competing offers, the only repricer that works inside Amazon, the only repricer with a feature to exclude lowball competitors, only repricer that allows you to set rules by category, one of only 2 repricers that allows you to set rules by sales rank, and on and on and on. You could literally be repricing seconds from now. Hit the link below, start the 14-day free trial, and I'll see you guys over there.